Hi there and welcome on site. I'm Jelena, your sales manager of company Arcostec, and today we are in Costa Blanca region. The city name is San Miguel de Salinas, and here we are with intention to introduce you the Paradise Resort.
Paradise Resort.
The residential Paradise Resort consists of 165 apartments with 2 or 3 bedrooms, distributed in 7 floors. Every apartment comes with a personal parking spot and an optional storage place. Here, on 2,000 square meters of private area with advanced security system, you will be surrounded by green areas with 2 swimming pools, 200 square meters of water surface for adults and 20 square meters for children, kids playground and adult area with healthy lifestyle equipment, and all mentioned above for an exceptional price starting from 149,900 euros with delivery date in September 2024. So let's have a look inside and welcome to the show house.
Paradise Resort.
This is the real copy of 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment on 90 square meters of built surface. Stepping inside, we get into a spacious living dining room, very functional and with a sophisticated decoration, where every detail provides a special touch.
Paradise Resort.
Further, completely equipped kitchen, with cabinets, extractor hood, induction cooktop, oven and a fridge. Everything is integrated and already included in the price. First bedroom in the show house with 10 square meters of surface, presented as a bedroom for a young generation.
Paradise Resort.
Master bedroom accounts with 14 square meters of surface and a bathroom in the suite.
Paradise Resort.
Another bathroom you will find right in front of the children's bedroom.
Paradise Resort.
And now I will bring you to the place that turns apartment in this residential into something unique and privileged. Can you imagine the terraces surfaces here starting from 20 square meters and some of them reaching 370 square meters? That's amazing. That's really wow. I'm pretty sure that already now you can see yourself here enjoying a morning coffee or 5 o'clock tea, isn't so? So, that was the listing of the day. If you are interested, do not hesitate to contact me. You find this information here. So, dump up to this video and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. And thank you for your attention and your time. See you soon in sunny Spain.